So, Mr. Velasquez, my understanding is there's some issue with the Veterans Treatment Court as far as the military service and whether or not they'll accept you. And my understanding is you're aware of that, correct?
I'm just aware that they're waiting for my discharge paperwork.
Judge,
But wasn't that during boot camp?
I'm sorry?
Was it during boot camp
No.
or no? All right, just a moment then. I'm going to have Mr. Herman come down. Yes.
I spoke with his mom. He's bonding out today,
Mm-hmm.
so he should have access.
Hi, John. It's Judge Boyd. Oh, all right. How are you doing this morning? Yes. Are you aware of Trinidad Velasquez?
Are you?
All right, where are we on this case?
Your Honor, the last time we were here in court, we were discussing the fact that we still needed a BB 214 in regards to move forward with any type of evaluation that you requested of us for him to potentially move to California. At that time, Mr. Christian told me that his uncle may have had it, his dad, and there's a few family members had it, and you gave him until today to email me that hard copy of the BB 214. I've checked in with it a couple times. As of this morning, I still
different, like private one. And I did run one in California and one here. So especially,
No. Here's my question. My question is, have you turned over the documents to them?
no, I said, no,
So,
burn in the fire and I don't can get access to it.
all right, so burned in the fire. So what you're telling me, and if I'm incorrect, just correct me. I'm not going to take it as a sign of disrespect. So what you're telling me, if somebody has been in the military and their documents are burned, it doesn't exist anymore. It's like you were never in the military. Is that what you're telling me?
No,
Once something burns to the ground, the military doesn't have anything, and you can't get anything from the military.
well, there's a lot of troops out there that don't have their benefits and have had issues like this.
No. I'm talking about you specifically. So what you're telling me is, and correct me if I'm wrong, you're just out of luck. These documents don't exist.
Well, I never used benefits, never timeline, and you never needed it. So, to me,
Well, I will tell you
I
this.
don't know how to gain access to it either.
I have a problem with you. I'm being told that you're testing positive for alcohol. So I'm going to help you.
Well, that's why I switched over to a program here and I found a treatment program in California, especially in alcohol.
Well, I'm going to help you out here. I'm not allowing you to transfer to California until you give me the military documents. So that will help you. And probation, he's going to do 90 sober meetings in 90 days. So if you wish to transfer to California, then you bring me proof that you were in the military.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand?
Yeah.
You need to have the motion heard.
No, Your Honor, it's filed.
All right, so we're going to auction them in. You're going to do 90 sober meetings in 90 days. And you're going to provide medical proof to probation for your use of oxygen. You understand?
Absolutely.
Probation, when do you want medical documentation of his issues? All right. And who are you receiving health care through?
It's through Aetna. Aetna?
All right. Do you go to the VA or no?
No.
Have you ever been to the VA? All right. So you're going to have to provide proof of your medical issues to probation by the end of their is denied. So if you truly wish to go to California, bring me the military information. And if you do not have military information, or if you were never in the military, let the court know, and I'll consider something else.
I figure out how to get hold of it.
I'm sorry?
Gotta figure out how to get hold of it.
Oh, it's easy. It's government. They will have your documents somewhere.
just completely records. Same place that we're talking about. We're doing the records of how you work, you know, being
Could you all do me a favor? Because I know you all have said you told him where to get his records.
Yes, ma'am.
Could you
we have.
write something down and
Yes,
hand
ma'am.
it to him?
And there's no record, Your Honor, of him ever serving in the military until we determine that.
No, I understand that.
We'll
But
write something.
write something down
Yes,
for
ma'am.
him so you will have exactly where you need to go. You understand? Okay, here's the thing. Take California out of your mind.
And I don't know, because you don't have.
Because you're not going to California until I get proof that you were in the military.
Well, and what if I can't get the proof? I don't know.
Then you're not going to California.
So you were saying something about the essay recovery here.
Yeah, you had to do an outpatient here.
No, inpatient.
Well, it doesn't allow me to work or bring any kind of income in.
No, you have to do inpatient if you want to do essay recovery here. It would be so simple for you to get your military documents.
I guess as you're making it to the simplest road, I just don't understand why last time you said it was okay to do it that way, and now you're taking it back, requiring this information.
What I don't understand is why can you not get your military records? What I don't understand is why is Veterans Treatment Court telling me, and I can't prove that I'm an attorney. You're telling me there's no government agency that would have proof that you were in the military.
Thousands of troops that can't get their information, can't get benefits. That
So-
person never went to the VA, person never wanted benefits or anything like that. Because the way they treat the troops and everything, I had my own.
Okay, so I want you to hear me because I'm internalizing what you're saying. This is what I want you to hear me. You are not going to California until you provide me proof that you've been into the military, and you are to provide them by Friday your medical documentation that you are on oxygen. And the reason why is because some days you're walking up the stairs, you have no oxygen with you, then other days you don't. So that's where we are.
One time, and I ran out last time, so I ran out of
Okay.
oxygen.
All right.
Keeps filling so much.
So you give me that information, then the court will make a decision.
You're telling me that thousands of troops that can't find their information either and get back in.
I don't have thousands of troops before me. I just have you.
Well, I said, yes, it's an inherent problem. No, I haven't been
So-
looking for it.
That's where we are.
I just don't understand why you're putting contingency on that.
Well, I mean, I've told you. I can't tell you anything else. So that's where we are.
So Judge, we amended the conditions for 90 sober support meetings in 90 days, and for him to,
Yes.
he's coming back here to court
Yes.
to provide the DD 214 and the medical documentation. Is
Yes.
that correct? Okay, what would you like, just so that I'm clear in regards to his in or outpatient treatment? That's
Inpatient
supposed to start
treatment.
here. Okay, and we want to wait until after Friday for that inpatient treatment to begin.
Yes.
Okay.
I guess I'll see you Friday. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome.